Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest kitchen gadgets. Today, we're diving into a must-have for every home cook, the Snap End Strain Pot and Pasta Strainer by Gizmo. If you're tired of struggling with bulky colanders and messy transfers, this silicone wonder might just change your cooking game. Let's start with why this is the best silicone strainer for pots out there. First off, it's incredibly versatile. The adjustable clip design means it fits snugly onto almost any pot, pan, or bowl, regardless of size or shape. No more awkward balancing acts or spills. And talk about convenience. This nifty gadget saves you time and space in the kitchen. Its compact size means it takes up a fraction of the space compared to traditional colanders, making it perfect for small kitchens or RVs. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. But what really sets the Snap End Strain apart is its performance. The fine mesh strainer effectively captures even the tiniest food particles, so you can say goodbye to soggy pasta or lost veggies. And thanks to its sturdy silicone construction, it can handle the heat of boiling water without breaking a sweat. With thousands of glowing reviews, it's clear that the Snap End Strain is a game-changer in the kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this little gadget will make cooking and cleanup a breeze. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!